Thousands of people across the world love Vanspeed parts, giving their van the utility to explore more and explore further. Today, I'm giving you a sneak peek into what goes behind building those parts and one of the people that makes it happen. So Chris, what's your role at Vanspeed?
My title is welding shop manager. I've been fabricating for just about 32 years. Get a lot of Class 1 trophy trucks, off-road. And I came down here and I looked at the vans and I was like, wow, this is pretty sick, you know? Actually, I've always liked working with my hands. When I was a kid, I used to take my toys apart. I used to put them back together, but make them better. So it was actually just throughout the years, I already knew what I wanted to do. And that's what I pursued. I started welding. I started fabricating, and I found out I really loved it. It's not even like going to work for me. It's something that I love, and I'm very passionate about it, and I think it actually speaks out in my work.
What do you do in your spare time?
I do a lot of my spare time, actually. I spent some time with my son. I have a son that's 3.5 years old. He's awesome. He's like my love of my life, and I spend as much time as I can with him. If I'm not doing that, I do Jiu-Jitsu. I train 4 or 5 days a week. I do competitions once or twice a month, and that takes a lot of my time up. Yes, I actually do coaching as well. I teach the kids at where I train. Kids anywhere from 2.5 all the way up to 15. So it kind of brings me back to my childhood. So, you know, you get older, you want to relive that, you know?
What's your favorite part to build that goes on one of our vans?
Favorite part would probably be, I like the front bumper, I would say, the Baja bumper. You know, I like off-road, so kind of gives me an off-road feeling, and making it all tubular and getting the welds really nice. That would probably be my favorite part.
What separates Vanspeed from the competition?
I think it's a pretty easy one for me. A lot of van companies out there, there's a lot of competitors that we have. If you look at another product, you see bend lines in there. We take the time, we take those out. Our welding is top of the line. You see the convolutions in the welds, you see what goes into this. And, you know, not talking down on any company out there, but look at their welds. It's more of a production weld. It's done fast. It's done, you know, we're not about that. We're about making it look right on this nice Mercedes van, and it shows.
Thanks for tuning in today, walking through Chris's area, seeing everything that goes in and behind the curtains in Vanspeed Fabrication. Thank you for your time today, Chris. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one.